keeping track, Craig Gaultier. 96 under, #1 right now. Then Brad Burton and Wyatt Wagner, two of the guys that battled out for the championship last year. Basically, we're battling it out for a potential round 1 bye. Driving a car that he's had since he was 14 years old. I'm guessing it didn't run 1050s when he was 14 years old. I love a story about a guy in his car. Evan Kowalski, now Grand Singer, coming at you, the Screaming Modified. Out of Saskatchewan on the right side. Transmission down the left side, the factory GTC, that is, I do believe, the only